Hi, first graders. In reading and writing today, we're going to work on two things. So the first thing we're going to work on are reading and writing words with ng that makes the sound ng and nk that makes the sound nk. And then when we're done practicing, you are going to work on this page and you'll circle the word that matches the picture. It's either going to end with the sound ng that ng makes or nk that nk makes. And then you'll complete the words in the sentences. So they're missing the ending sound, either ng or nk. You're going to decide which one is correct that would make sense with the word and the sentence. So we worked on words last week with ng and nk when you read Zing in a Tank. So this is review. You've done this before. You've also done this with Mrs. Butler. But let's go ahead and practice again because it takes practice to get really good at these things. So ng is the last sound in the word swing, swing. You might remember ing as the ing brothers. So ing, the last two letters make that sound ng. And sometimes the vowel sounds a little bit different than normal with ng. So you just have to try it. If it doesn't sound right, try it another way. All right, let's try another one. Ing, sing. Go ahead and read along with me. King, king, ing, wing. BR says burr, so this is ing, bring, ing, ring. Ang, oh, we have a new vowel now. Hang, ang, ring, ang, lung, ung, hung. All right, nice job. Now let's try words that have the ending sound unk, like in unk, skunk. All right, next word, read along with me. Unk, sunk. Notice that that unk I read as a chunk. I do the beginning sound, then the chunk, and then we hook it together. Next is ink, sink. Ink, wink. Ink, rink. Ink, take. DR makes the sound der. Ink, drink. Ink, bank. I take my money to the bank. Ink, pink. Unk, bunk. And remember, TH makes the sound the. Ink, think. Nice job. All right, you'll be ready to do your paper. And the other thing we're going to talk about today is compound words. We talked about compound words before we got out of school. So remember, compound words are two smaller words that make one bigger word. And when we read compound words, I like to use chunky monkey. So that means if you see that big word and you're like, oh boy, I don't know, this has a lot of letters, look for the chunk. Read the first chunk and then the second chunk and then put it together to read the whole word. So for example, this word, I'm going to look for that first chunk. I see b-ack, back. Okay, now I'm going to do the second chunk. P-ack, pack, back, pack, backpack. Let's try another one. If it's helpful to you, another strategy when you're looking for those chunks of the words is draw a line in between what look like the chunks or the two words that make up that compound word. So let's do the first one. S-a-n, sun. S-et, set, sunset, sunset. That's how we read those big words. We just take the smaller chunks and then it makes it easier to read the long words. All right, let's try some more compound words. This is our picture card for compound word. We all know what that is, right? That's a football, and this is how we spell football. Football, football. Okay, here's some more. I bet you know what that is. Sandcastle, right? Here's what the word sandcastle looks like. And sand. Now castle might look a little funny because it has some letters, more letters in that second chunk. And you can just sometimes think, okay, I know that first chunk is sand. This one starts with castle. And do your best and think about a word that you know that could possibly be, and I bet you'll be able to read a lot of those words. Okay, next one. We have full ash, flash, light. Okay, last picture card. Okay, I'm going to cover up so we can just look at that first chunk. I notice a Y at the end of that first chunk. Remember, a Y at the end of the word, and this is the chunk of the first word, can make the sound I or E. So this is lady. Lady. Second chunk, bug. Bug. Lady, bug. Okay, let's practice a few more. Okay, on the first word on this board, I drew the line to remind you, you can even draw a line to break that word into chunks when you're reading. So we have bath, tub, bathtub. All right, let's go across. Next one is rose. Rose, that E made the O say its name. Bud. Rosebud. Okay, this one we practiced already. You guys are gonna be good at it. Lady, bug. Lady, bug. Okay, next one. And then we have E, double E that says E. So it's B. I notice an E here. It's gonna make the I say its name. Hive. Beehive. Okay, next one. Ant. Hill. Ant hill. Okay, this one looks like it has the E double E also. Tree. Top. Tree top. Okay, next one. Bed. Time. I knew that I said its name because there's a sneaky silent bossy E at the end. So it's bedtime. All right, last one. Pan. Cake. Pancake. Okay, on your second math page today, I'm sorry, not math page, reading page. On your second reading and writing page, you are going to choose one of these words up here in the box and combine it with the word here. Since it's a compound word, this is the first word, this is the second word. Combine it together and you have a compound word. Choose the one that makes sense, and then you're going to match it to the picture. For example, the first one says pan, and your choices are ball, cakes, pull, or set. Which one would make sense with pan? Pancakes, that's right. So write cakes next to pan, and then you're going to draw a line from the word to the picture. They also give you some picture clues, but that's not a pancake right there, is it? So we're not going to draw the line there. I see pancake there, so we'll draw a line from the word to the picture. And then on the bottom part, number 5, it gives you 3 words. You're going to choose the one that's a compound word. And to be a compound word, remember it has to have 2 smaller words that make 1 bigger word. On number 6, you're going to do the same thing. Choose the compound word, the one that has 2 smaller words that make a bigger word. All right, good luck.